Welcome back to the channel. Today I got an L120 here, a John Deere. I got a leak in my front tire. We'll see if we can fix it. So I jacked it up there and so I can spin the front tire. I'm just gonna load her up with soapy water, dish soap and water. We'll sit there for about a couple minutes. Now as you can see, so you can hear here, a little bit there, here and here, and here and here. Looks like it needs a new tire, but I got an inner tube. I'm gonna install that on there. I'm gonna take the front tire off here and heat up the center cap here a little bit. Take the washer off here. And there should be a washer in the back. If it's not here, it's in there, and I can see it still in there. It's good. I'm gonna take the air out of the tire here. I'm just gonna a little wrench here. I bought this kit there at Princess Auto or Harbor Freight, the same thing. I think I paid $50 for it. This is your bead breaker arm. I'm gonna hold my hand that way and press. There we go. I'll do the other side. You can cut the valve stem off later while you take the tire off. You can spray WD-40 or any kind of lubricant in there. You have to take the tire off here. I got some soap here. So. A little bit of soapy water won't hurt it. All right. In there. Well, this is the inside of the rim because it will bugger up your paint a little bit, so I always take the tire off on the inside. I'm gonna hold my hand here and turn. I'll turn this way. It kind of helps it. Take my valve stem out of there. And that's a good time to cut your valve stem if you didn't do it. By 6.5 by 8. So 16 by 6 or 6.5 or 16 by 7 is fine. This one's 7.5 to 8, so I think I bought this for $15. So my valve stem is facing down, so you want your blue line here on here facing the opposite way. I'm gonna put my valve stem in there and reach underneath and hold it with vice grips or that little tool I had. I'll take my cap off here. I'll raise the tire up here and just stick the inner tube inside. Now there's the valve stem hole here. It's in there now. I'm gonna grab my tool. This part of the tool screws right in the valve stem. Put some more soap here. Now use the other side. Press down. There we go. Sometimes you get stuck halfway here. You can put this underneath there, slide it in, and just force it down. It'll pop in. More soap, the better. I'm taking the tool here off here. Make sure the valve stem doesn't go inside. And I'll try to hold it here, put the vice grips in here. Now that's good. Now I'm gonna put some air in it. I'll just put a little tiny bit in there first. A little bit more. Alright. There'll be some air leaking out of there. Take it. Here. That's just the air between the tube and the tire. Okay, put a little bit more. Yep, no more. Check it again. 12. There, perfect. That's what you want. Don't forget your cap. Good time to grease your spindle and grease your wheel too. Alright, this on the washer, clip. Just gonna heat the cap a little bit. Well done. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.